Good morning, students. Today our topic is electrocardiography, ECG. This is called electrocardiography. What is the graphy means? Study. Study about electrical activity of the cardio means heart. First we will know the two term electrocardiogram. This is the graphical representation of electrocardiography. An electrocardiograph means the device. Don't be confused. This graph means the device which depict the electrical activity of the heart, and gram means the graphical representation. And ECG is depicted in this manner. When the sinoatrial node, this is present in the right atrium, that start impulse, then there will be atrial systole, mean atrial contraction. The P wave represent the atrial depolarization. Atrial systole result in the when there will be contraction of the atria, there will be atrial depolarization. The P wave depicts atrial depolarization, that is for 0.1 second. Then QRS, they form a complex. This is called QRS. The impulse passes from SA node towards the AV node, and here the QRS complex form ventricular depolarization. As the QRS to T wave, that is for 0.3 second, the QRS complex explain about ventricular depolarization or ventricular contraction, and here T wave represent ventricular repolarization. Here the ventricle relax, that's why this is called ventricular repolarization. The T wave represent ventricular repolarization or ventricular relaxation. Then again after T wave, the next phase is joint diastole. This is for 0.4 second. After joint diastole, there is next P wave will arises. At this way, the electrocardiography maintain. Then you just need to remember the electrocardiogram is the graphical representation, and the graph is the device which measure the electrical activity of the heart. And here the SA node start impulse. After that, for 0.1 second, the atrial systole takes place. The atrial systole represented by P wave. This P wave means atrial depolarization, as this is the contraction of the atria. This is for 0.1 second. After that, the QRS, this is the complex which is also known as ventricular depolarization. The contraction is always depolarization. Here the ventricle contraction will start, that's why this is called ventricular depolarization. And the T wave represent ventricular relaxation, that's why this is called ventricular repolarization. After ventricular repolarization, then now both the atrium and ventricle are going to relax, that's why this is called joint diastole.